What if I told you, you don't need to be a coder, a tech bro, or a Silicon Valley startup to build a six-figure AI business in 2025? AI is no longer the future. It's the fastest-growing income stream on the planet, and it's wide open for anyone willing to act now. And while most people are busy scrolling past it, others are launching AI-powered agencies, automating full-time jobs, and getting paid for tasks they don't even touch themselves. So in this video, I'm giving you 5 AI business ideas you can start today, even if you're starting from zero. Real tools, real tactics, no fluff. Let's get started. 1. Build AI agents for businesses. AI agents are like employees that never sleep. They don't just think, they do. They can analyze leads, respond to emails, apply for jobs, schedule meetings, personalize sales pitches, all without human input. You don't need to be a developer. You can use tools like Crew AI to build smart agents that perform specific business tasks. Start by choosing a niche: real estate e-commerce consulting. Offer agents that handle follow-ups, lead scoring, or reporting. Charge $200, $1,000 a month per client. This is virtual staffing without payroll, and it's exploding. 2. Offer AI translation and voice dubbing services. Most businesses only market in English, but their customers speak everything. Use tools like ElevenLabs or HeyGen to translate YouTube videos, dub training videos for global teams, create multi-language websites for brands. MrBeast does it, Apple does it. You can do it for every brand that isn't. And since most don't even realize it's possible, you'll be early. Charge per video, per project, or monthly retainer. 3. AI podcasting plus content repurposing. AI lets you turn any written content into a podcast without a microphone. Here's how. Clone a client's voice using AI. Convert blog posts or newsletters into audio. Turn those into full podcast episodes. Now combine that with Opus Clip or Video.ai, and you can repurpose long episodes into dozens of TikToks and YouTube shorts. This is a goldmine for influencers, coaches, and business owners who don't have time to produce content, but need to show up everywhere. 4. Sell AI-generated infographics and data visuals. Infographics still dominate in SEO, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. They turn boring data into scroll-stopping content that ranks and converts. Use tools like Piktochart or Canva AI charts to turn Google Sheets into beautiful dashboards, create industry explainer graphics, visualize reports and sales data for agencies, sell them to bloggers, coaches, startups, and SaaS brands, or package them with SEO and content marketing services. Build AI websites for new businesses. Most startups don't want a custom-coded site. They want something that works today. You can use AI tools like 10Web or Durable to build a site in less than an hour. Here's how to scale it. Go to Crunchbase or LLC databases. Find recently funded startups or new businesses. Pitch a $500 AI website setup. Upsell SEO, blog content, and email marketing. You can even generate 5 to 10 site mockups per day using AI. And close clients by showing, not selling. These aren't future predictions. These are AI business models already making money in 2025. So whether you're a designer, writer, student, or just curious, the time to build is now. Subscribe for more weekly AI income ideas, faceless content strategies, and digital tools that make you money while you sleep.